Hello, Good Vibes Only. This is Dr. Ananya Barwa. Welcome to my channel, Good Vibes Only. So, we have the month ahead, which is September 2021. Let us see what our cards have to review. Today, I have something special, and that is Goddess Fortuna in front of us. And Goddess Fortuna will be giving out her goddess's message from the angelic realm. So, if you feel guided for this crystal ruby, please select pile 1. If you feel guided towards this beautiful crystal, choose pile 2. And if you're guided towards these green color crystal, come to pile 3. Pile 1, the red crystal. Pile 2, the sapphire or the yellow crystal. And pile 3, the green or the aventurine crystal. Thank you. Hello pile 1, welcome to my channel Good Vibes Only. So all those who have selected this red crystal, I feel that some of you have silent anger issues, if not major, and some of you also seem to have some hemoglobin problems. Maybe you are deficient in your hemoglobin, and some BP or anxiety issues is something I'm palpably feeling. Also, most of you are the givers. You love to give something to others. It could be gifts, it could be love. You are definitely the givers. So let us see what is the month ahead for the month September 2021 is for pile 1. This is the goddess card, which I will say at the last. Let me first concentrate as to how your month ahead would be. So the Magician, all right, the Nine of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. All right, so the month ahead that I see is some of you would start on with a defensive mode. Not necessarily, please understand, whosoever tells you whatever, some advices or wishes, need not always be in a negative. It could be for your well-being too. Once you accept the positive reinforcement, I would feel that most of you would be entitled to do some internship, do some studies, get enrolled in some workshop where on the basis of some suggestions that might come. And once you do that, you would definitely feel the month ahead is filled with prosperity, is filled with happiness. People appreciate your skill, and I can also see some good fortune in the form of inheritance or some court case which you had been struggling for long coming to fruition in your favor. And the Magician card further confirms it, which means that the month ahead is definitely your magical month. Whatever you had hoped for, you had aimed for, you had dreamt for, please start doing it. Do not be swayed away by this defensive mode. Know that you have the blessings of the Pentacles, so the earthly realm is really helping you, supporting you, so the universe has your back. So please do whatever you had always wished for that is definitely will be fruitified. Further, the month of September, the angel card tells that communicate clearly. So if there are certain advices, the angel card for pile 1 is further telling us that if there are some advices, okay, from our well-wishers, you do not necessarily have to take it as on a defensive mode. You should just communicate it clearly that, see, this is my boundary, I will not appreciate trespassing. Or if you are more flexible, you would appreciate and see the other side of the story too. The point is, do not be closed in your cocoon, okay? Do not be so isolated, do not be so cold, all right? For the Magician in you is going to be unleashed. So communicate clearly. Whatever are the issues, whatever that you feel like communicating, please communicate clearly. And for that, you have to do the chanting, which is, see, I'm definitely hearing your throat chakra. Some of you seem to be in the profession of teaching, and where you need to teach a lot of young people, who could be your junior associates, and some of you seem to be a little wary of communicating the same thing again and again where people don't get it and you are like, oh my god, forget it. Don't be that. Be kind, because understand the understanding variations of everyone is different. So be kind, okay? Be nice to them, and then they too would be kind to you. Further, the month ahead tells us about Lord Hanuman. Definitely with Lord Hanuman's blessings, there is nothing to worry. Just like Lord Hanuman kept on taking the mountain, right, for collecting the Sanjeevani booty, I am being guided to tell you that doesn't matter however difficult it might be, however defensive it might be, you would definitely find your Sanjeevani booty. You would definitely find the way out, okay? And people will feel so glad that they have you in their life, personally or professionally, because you definitely are full of energy. And I'm also hearing with this the ruby crystal, most of you seems to be the fiery sign. Could be Aries, could be Sagittarius, could be Leo, and some of you have the Martian qualities in you, the go-getters type. And for retaining that strength, definitely you need to be grounded, and for that chanting is so very important. Further ahead, the month September 2021 for pile 1 is surrender comparison with other people. Keep your eyes trained on yourself. Focus on your own strengths, attractiveness, and power. So I'm definitely hearing, expected you kind of compare that, oh my god, I did so much of hard work, why didn't it happen that way? The point is, you need to communicate clearly first. Once you communicate, stop comparing who is doing what. Understand that you are a unique piece, you are doing your best, and there is no reason why you should downgrade yourself by comparing with somebody else whose sole purpose is definitely different from yours. So that's something you should definitely remember. Pile 1 for the month ahead. And last but not least, let us see what Goddess Abundantia, Goddess Kuan Yin, and the angels, the Goddess Oracle card is for all of you. And oh my god, Saraswati. So mastery, understand that there is always a difference between knowledge and information. Sometimes too much of information can lead to infodemic, which is kind of, too much of unnecessary processing. Saraswati, on the other hand, knowledge will exactly tell you what to use, which discretionary power to use, when, how, and when to be defensive and when not to be defensive. So, the minute you are blessed by Goddess Saraswati, you would stop being unnecessarily critical, you would stop being unnecessarily cranky, for you do know everyone has their struggle. You will understand that there is a better version of everyone, which and that can be revealed when you change your vision, and that is possible when Goddess Saraswati blesses you and she is there with you in abundance. Definitely a lot of you will be doing some new projects, new works, would be enrolling in some new workshops, buying some new books, doing some good reading. And I'm not surprised with this Page of Pentacles. I'm also hearing some of you might go abroad or look for some admissions, entrances, admissions, and would be preparing for that. Some of your thesis or project, deadline could be around the corner, and you could be working against the time to complete the same. Definitely there's a lot of new things. Some of you could be in your new class or your new project or your new job profile, and you would definitely be learning the ropes of the trade by and by. So pile 1, the month ahead seems to be extremely enriching. Make the most of it. Just remember, do not be unnecessarily self-defensive. Do not be unnecessarily comparing yourself with others. So once these two things are down, only success, only positivity, only good vibes will come to you. So congratulations, pile 1. Hello pile 2. So all those who have selected this yellow sapphire, I am being guided to tell that most of you have had some heartaches and you have experienced pain. Someone have betrayed you and you have experienced what heartbreak is. However, that has not distanced you, and you feel that life is still good and one needs to move ahead. There is a strong feeling to some of you. I'm feeling that as you're still stuck in that past episode, it is becoming difficult for you to get out of it. Doesn't matter how hard you try, or there is some melancholy that grips you most often, even if there is the brightness surrounding you. Now, let's see how your month ahead for September 2021 will be. This is the goddess card, goddess Fortuna, which I will be doing at the end. Let me first see how your month ahead would be. All right, the moon, Nine of Swords, the Chariot. Okay. So what is interesting is there will be at least three major events in your life, and where there will be something to do with people who either could be harsh on you or who have a very short temper. So throughout the month you would be a little bit emotionally imbalanced because you feel that life has been very difficult and you are just not in a position to. So pile 2, there could be some emotional imbalanceness, for there would be some toxic energies who would try to suck the blood out of you. But do not give in. I repeat, do not give in. This toxic energy would also be a little harsh in the month ahead, in the sense that you might have sleepless nights, and it could also be because somebody who is very short-tongued or who is very practical, no nonsense, has just given it on you, and you are really grappling how to wriggle out of it. So initially the first few days might seem a little troublesome, but nothing to worry. The good news is you will come out of these dark moments when you start to travel. I see some of you might just go to some nearby places. I know pandemic is on, but still traveling is on in certain restricted areas. And you might also decide to go for some short vacation to renew, to rejuvenate from whatever you have been facing, and that will give you that much needed boost, and you would feel so good, so disciplined, so safe. Also, I'm hearing some of you would like to enroll yourself in some spiritual retreats. I think this pile was a little confused with pile 1 and pile 2. And when you do that, when you travel deep in some spiritual retreats, I think this pile was a little confused with pile 1 and pile 2. And when you do that, when you travel deep within yourself, when there is movement, when there is no stagnation, all this stagnant, all these dark energies, okay, will just evaporate. So from that journey to darkness, the month of September would be towards light. And then, like this excellent, with the blessings of Archangel Michael, you will be able to be not only temperate in your modality, but you would actually show it not just via words, but via your actions. And this would also give you the impetus that there is nothing which you cannot do. It could be the cold vibes, it could be the harsh words, it could be the toxic energies. Once you start moving away from all this, once you start dwelling more deep within, you would be super successful. And come what may, only success will come to you. So the month ahead September 2021 for pile 2 will be a revelation. Okay, the further what angels tell you is let go. Wow. So as I had said, right, this pile seems to be those who have had those issues, mental blockages. You have had those moments when you were betrayed, and most of you are still living in the past. So after let go of, do not hold it, just let go of. Okay, and once you do that, bhakti. So once you do that, like this butterfly who has become a butterfly because, it decided that I do not want to end my life as a caterpillar, but would like to fly as a butterfly. You all, once you let go of these toxic energies, you would also be this beautiful butterfly fluttering everywhere. And when you flutter everywhere, there is only freshness and brightness and vivacity that you will bring along with you. And for that, aromatherapy. So I'm definitely hearing most of you like good perfumes. You also like you know, you're people who love flowers, so this is what you will you also like you know, you're people who love flowers, so this is what you will exactly do to revitalize yourself. You would do everything which is and just like the butterflies, right, we mostly see them in parks and lawns, so you would take a walk in the park to be away from such toxic energies, and you will feel so sorted, you will feel so balanced. And what is it that you need to surrender for this? Surrender to complete healing. So definitely this file has had their bad moments, this file have had their distressed moments, but nothing to worry. Whatever was you know, you were suffering from, it is a past. From now, from September onwards, after a few days, there is only healing, because angels blessings are there, angels guidance are there. And let's see what Goddess Fortuna has to tell us via this Goddess Oracle card. And it is Ellen pattern. Wow. So you see the pattern which you had been repeating all this while. You trust somebody, you get betrayed, you feel hurt, you go to your cocoon, you again really need, you know, time and energy to fight out, and again the same vicious cycle was being repeated. So Goddess Ellen is telling you that stop this pattern and break this pattern. Once you break this pattern, that is, you will not be bothered by these toxic people. You will see yourself flutter like a butterfly. So there's a lot of soul search, there's a lot of soul growth for group 2. Congratulations, pile 2. Hello pile 3, welcome to my channel Good Vibes Only. This is Dr. Ananya Barwa, and today we are here for the monthly reading for the month ahead, September 2021. So all those who have selected this green aventurine crystal, I feel that some of you have had suffered a lot. I'm also hearing some surgeries, some illness, some diseases, and you are healing now. Some of you also seem to be in the field from medical sciences. You could be a physician, you could also be someone who is interested in healing, and this group definitely seems to be one who believes in the cosmic healing too. So let me see what the month ahead tells us. This is the angel card of Goddess Fortuna, Goddess message. I will read at the end. Let us first concentrate on what the month ahead will be. So, surrender to play. I feel that it is, you know, this group seems to be all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So most of you only have been working a lot. The first card that has popped up is surrender to play, which means that, you know, you definitely need to be more in a joyful mode and not be serious all the time. I think most of you have forgotten to laugh. When was the last time you had smiled? You take life extremely serious to be serious about. Life is about good vibes only, so appreciate the good things. If you're alive, if you have a laptop, if you have a gadget, if you have your data package, you are blessed. Appreciate the good things. I feel that this group has become a little you know, difficult, or has a not very happy time presently, and they do have some complaints with life. This is what I'm definitely hearing. Let me see how your month ahead would be. All right, the Page of Cups, the Hermit, the Judgment, and there is the fourth one, which is the Ace of Wands. So what I feel is some of your projects didn't take off. So in this month ahead, most of you will start something new. You would think on a very big scale, okay? But you would firstly self-doubt, which is very natural. Let me tell you this, whatever you're thinking, even if it is large scale, please trod on, please move on, for success is assured with the Ace of Wands. Secondly, most of you have also played or are excellent in your communication. You have been the messenger. I'm hearing definitely a lot of young people, okay, young impatient people or young impatient energy with this pile. So definitely you have also been the messenger, doing to and fro. It could be telephonical. You're phonically or otherwise, asking the health concerns of your loved ones over phone, getting worried about them, and mostly emotional healing. Okay, emotional healing. Either you have been constantly in touch over phone or messages, and that is something which you have been doing for quite some time. So this is going to continue. However, there will be good news. I'm also hearing some birth, some new addition, and people who had been really doing those hospital rounds, there will be some good news finally. And I'm also being guided to tell you that at times you might, the month ahead, you might feel a little forlorn, a little aloof, where you might feel very, the wear and tear kind of a feel that I have only given light to others, I have only asked about others' well-being, but there's nobody to ask about my well-being. So a kind of a complaint, generic complaint with universe is what I'm definitely feeling. But there's nothing to worry, because the month of September, the judgment card has come. So whatever seeds you had sown, it's the time for awards, and definitely for all your good tasks you would be definitely be awarded. But please do not forget to play and smile and laugh and have lighter moments of life. Okay, do not be so cross with life all the time, pile tree. Further, I'm being guided to tell you that the angels are telling that, get more information. So most of you really break down or collapse, just because things didn't work at per your pace or at per your expectations. You feel mission. So most of you really break down or collapse, just because things didn't work at per your pace or at per your expectations. You feel that life is done and dusted. Angels are telling you that please get more information and do not be so pessimist. Okay, there are many good things to be grateful about. Connect with ancestors. So definitely I'm also hearing most of you are feeling dizzy with overwhelming work. So it is a time to get rooted. And how will you be rooted? You would be rooted by getting connected with your ancestors, by seeking forgiveness from them if you have hurt anyone or if you have harmed anyone. And further, this card also tells us that the Vishuddhi, which means the throat chakra, okay, you shouldn't be harsh, not necessarily to others, even to yourself. I'm definitely hearing that most of you become very, truly harsh, and that's one reason why a lot of some form or the other illness is cropping up either in your life or in your and your one's life. It's time that you communicate clearly to universe and trust the process of universe. It's okay if it is taking time for something to fructify, but I believe that it will happen at the divine timing, at the cosmic timing that it is supposed to happen. Now let us finally see what the angels and the goddesses message oracle card is for you. So it is the Scout, the future. No wonder. So most of you, you would initially start with enthusiasm, and that's what you continue. But if you do not get the reward, this and this, but universe doesn't follow your terms and conditions. Universe will reward you, definitely, yes, but at the time when you truly deserve, not before. So do not live in the future so much and get agitated and annoyed that you forget to appreciate your present. For pile 3, the month of September might be a little ups and down, but do not be agitated. Do not be do not play the victim card. Know that you are where your universe is doing their bit. Trust the process of universe to expedite it. So this was the month ahead for pile 3 for the month September 2021.